Hi Colorado, this video is for your testing Pick 3 Pi method. In this series, all I do is I add and subtract off 3.14 and 159, two numbers that have already hit. What I'm trying to find is the potential numbers that will hit in the next 7 days. This is your second video with this series, and your state seems to like Saturdays for this method. I'll show you more about this part in the video here, but your state seems to like a +1, -1 adjustment. On this next portion, I'm going to be showing you just my back testing method basically to find that Saturdays were the day working for your state, okay? So here we go. Keep in mind, all math done in the video will be lotto math. All right, Colorado, so I do go back a little bit over 30 days to back test this method. On August 24th, you had 815 hit. You're going to add 314 to 815. 8 plus 3 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 5 plus 4 is 9. That number did not hit in the next 7 days. You're also minusing the 314, so 8 minus 3 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1, and that hit on August 28th. On this portion, these numbers did not hit, but I wanted to show you a brief example on the whole process that I do. Okay, so you're going to add and minus off 159 from 129. 129 came from up here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 9 plus 9 is 18, or 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. 12 minus 5 is 7. And 9 minus 9 is 0. On the next page, I'll be using that 501 that you got from up here. Okay, so these two numbers also did not hit, but again, I'm just showing you the whole process here. So you're going to add 159 and minus off 159 from 501. 5 plus 1 is 6. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 9 is 10, or 0. And then minus off 159, so you have 5 minus 1, which is 4. 10 minus 5, which is 5. 11 minus 9, which is 2. Okay, and then on August 31st, you had 423 hit. I'm going to start with the minusing 314 first because that number did not hit. You're going to look at the right hand part of the screen here. So you have 4 minus 3, which is 1. 2 minus 1, which is 1. And then 13 minus 4, which is 9. And then if you add the 314, you have 4 plus 3, which is 7. 2 plus 1, which is 3. 3 plus 4, which is 7. And then you're going to add 1 to the first 7 there. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Bring down the 3, 7. That's going to give 837. And that number did hit on September 1st. Okay, so from here you're going to add 159 and minus off 159 from 737, which I just covered. So 7 plus 1 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8, 7 plus 9 is 6. So ignore that 8 there, that should be 886. You're going to minus off 159 and get the same number here. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 13 minus 5 is 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. And again, that number did not hit in the next 7 days. That 119 came from the prior page. You're going to add 159 to 119 and minus off 159. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6, and then 9 plus 9 is 8. Or 18, but we put 8 there. Okay, and then minus off 159, so you have 1 minus 1, which is 0. 11 minus 5, which is 6. And 9 minus 9, which is 0. You're going to subtract off 1 from that first 0, and that gives 960. That number did hit on September 4th and September 7th. Okay, so same thing here. September 7th, you had 690 hit. You're going to be adding and subtracting off 314. I'm going to start with 314 minusing that off because that number did not hit. So you have 6 minus 3, which is 3. 9 minus 1, which is 8. And 10 minus 4, which is 6. You're going to also add 314, so you have 6 plus 3, which is 9. 9 plus 1, which is 0. 0 plus 4, which is 4. Down here, you're going to add 159 to 904. 9 plus 1 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. And then 4 plus 9 is 13, or 3. You're going to add 1 to that 0 there. So that's going to give, and bring down that 53. That gives 153. You're going to also minus off the 1 from the 5 there. Ignore the add 1 there. So that'll give, bring down 03. You're minusing off the 1, so that's 430. And that did hit on September 10th. Okay, so on September 14th, I'm not going to do a very thorough example here, but I'll give you a brief example here. So 629 hit. You're going to add 314 to 629, so 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 9 plus 4 is 13, or 3. That number did not hit on the next 7 days. You're going to also minus off 314, so you have 6 minus 3, which is 3. 2 minus 1, which is 1, and then 9 minus 4, which is 5. You're going to subtract off the 1 from the 3 there. That is a little bit different than what I normally do, but I'm just showing an alternative example here. So subtract off 1 from the 3 there, bring down the 2, bring down 1 5, and that number did hit on September 20th. Okay, so again, another very brief example here. On September 21st, he had 170 hit. Or not hit, excuse that. 170 did hit. Gonna add 314, so 1 plus 3 is 4. 7 plus 1 is 8, and then 0 plus 4 is 4. Add 1 to that last 4 in that number. 4 plus 1 is 5. Bring down the 4 8s. And that number did hit on September 25th. All right, so a little bit of a lengthy example here, okay? So September 28th, you had 576 hit. Gonna add 314. 5 plus 3 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8, and then 6 plus 4 is 0 or 10. That number did not hit on the next 7 days. You're going to minus off 314 from 576. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. And then the 6 minus 4 is 2. That number did hit on October 2nd. Going to be adding and subtracting off the 159 from 880, which you got from up here. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 5 is 13 or 3. 0 plus 9 is 9. And then you're going to subtract off the 159. So 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 minus 5 is 3, and then 10 minus 9 is 1, and both of those numbers did not hit in the next 7 days. Okay, so sometimes not always, but sometimes the numbers will come up over and over and over again before they hit. So when you do these calculations, make sure you pay attention to numbers that pop up all the time before they hit, okay? And I'll give you an example here, okay? So the 262 that came from up here, you're going to add 159 to 262. 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 5 is 1, and then 2 plus 9 is 1, so that's 311. You're going to also minus off 159, so 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1, and then 12 minus 9 is 3. And that did hit box, but I did want to show you one more thing here, okay? So it came up twice, right? Then on October 5th, you had 828 hit. You're going to add the 314. 8 plus 3 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 8 plus 4 is 12 or 2. So as you see, that's 132. If you minus off that 1 from the 2, bring down 1 3, and that gives 131. And again, that hit on October 6th. And then this number hit on October 5th. So that's 3 examples on that this number was indicated to hit. It won't always work like that, so remember that. But just something to point out. All right, Colorado. So based on all of that, the potential numbers in the next 7 days that I think will potentially hit are 504, 455, 261, 121, 222, 371, and 123. Also remember that these numbers will be, if they don't hit either box or exact on how they are here, they should be relatively close, okay? So just as an example, some of my numbers, they do go up, down, or let me rephrase. They do go up one or down one sometimes. So just as an example, you might have something like 514, 594, 503, 505, and so on. It may be like 604, 404, things like that. Okay, that is it. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know in that comment section.